Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Leanne Wong, and today we're going to be making pan-seared salmon with roasted cauliflower. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, toss the cauliflower and onion with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and season generously with salt and pepper. Place in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Roast for 35 to 40 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through until the veggies are charred at the edges and tender. Pat salmon fillets dry and season with salt and pepper. In a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat, heat 4 tablespoons of coconut oil until lightly smoking. Place fillets in the pan skin side down and gently press the salmon fillet flat to the pan. Reduce the heat to medium and sear the salmon until the skin is golden brown and crisp. Flip the fillets and remove from the heat, allowing the salmon to continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the salmon to a plate and drain the excess fat from the pan. Return the pan to the stove over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and sweat the shallots for 4 to 5 minutes until translucent. Add the garlic and lemongrass and saute for another 2 minutes. Add the curry powder, cook for 2 minutes more, stirring well until the curry is toasted. Add the raisins and soaking vinegar, coconut milk, and sugar. Bring to a boil, cooking until reduced by half and the sauce is thickened and glossy. Add sauce to the bottom of a rimmed platter and then top with the vegetables. Place the salmon with the skin side up on top and then garnish with cilantro and mint leaves. Serve immediately and enjoy with a glass of rosé wine. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.